What's up, guys? This is Jay with StickNWrap. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay. I'm with a company called StickNWrap. We actually make custom stickers and designs and logos in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I'll make sure I'll put the information down at the bottom below so you guys can take a look at that. And a lot of people have been asking me when you guys going to post up the next video, so I just figured I'd decide to go ahead and film today. And it was time to finally get a fresh new cut. Because of Chinese New Year, so thanks Tom for all that. And but today we're going to be talking about itasha. So I got a good friend of mine that came from Greenville, South Carolina, which is about like 2.5 hours away, and he asked us to go ahead and install his itasha for him. He's already got the artwork done by an artist. I was getting the commission done, and this is going to be the video of what we're going to be posting about how we do the install. Alright guys, hope you guys liked that quick video of the itasha. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you guys in the next one.